Hurricane damage can begin with a single breach, a failed window, a compromised door, a lifted roof edge, or a leaking wall assembly can allow wind and water into the building envelope. Intertek provides testing certification and consulting services for building products used in hurricane-prone regions. We work with manufacturers, architects, owners, and contractors to support product evaluation, specification, and code approval. For hurricane-prone regions, testing often focuses on impact resistance, pressure performance, and water intrusion. Building products are tested for windborne debris, impact, cyclic pressure, air leakage, water penetration, and structural performance. These evaluations apply to windows, doors, roofing systems, wall assemblies, and other envelope components. Testing also supports Miami-Dade requirements, Florida product approval, and notice of approval documentation for high-velocity hurricane zones. From product development to code approval support, Intertek helps document how products perform when exposed to hurricane wind, rain, and debris. To see how Intertek can help manufacturers and owners with hurricane testing, consultation, and certification, visit us online.